This 2016 Dutchmen Denali 287 RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, oven, microwave, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, LP detector, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, refrigerator, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Dutchmen Denali 287 RE is 8,287 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.